Hello, my name is Caroline. Today we're going to be talking about front walkovers. So I'm going to give you a couple different exercises to lead up so you can get more comfortable going straight into your front walkovers. So the first thing that you're going to try is doing a handstand and then just falling over into your back bend position. So you can start with whatever foot you feel good with, kick up to a handstand, and then just fall over. Yeah, so from there, just practice falling over. Sometimes it's scary to fall that way, but the more comfortable you can get, the better. And then as you are working on that, really try to get your feet closer to your head. That way it'll be easier to stand up once you're working on that. Okay, the next thing that we're gonna do is work on the standing up part. So you can just start in a back bend, and then you're gonna walk your feet closer to your hands, just like we talked about before, and use your hips to come up. Here. And just push up. So I'm really pushing through my hips. I bend my knees a little bit so I can get some momentum to come up. And then one more thing that you can work on for that is you can go up to a wall and walk down and walk back up, so just so you can get the motion of coming up. And then you can practice using your arms less and less. And so from there, you're just gonna practice piecing it together, fall over, and then walk up, yep. And then from there, you can, as you become more natural with that, you can just, as you fall over, try to land with one foot and then walk through the next. If you connect them, the momentum from landing will help you come up faster. Looks like this. Good luck trying it at home, you got it.